Welcome to The Captain Cooks, a new YouTube channel unlike anything you have ever seen before. My name is Will, and I'm about as amateur as a chef as you could possibly get. But my wife thinks my food is pretty awesome. This is our very first episode, and we will be posting videos every single week right here on YouTube. And what makes this channel better than all the rest is that for many of these episodes, sitting right back here, we will have guests to taste the food and tell you, my favorite viewer, if the recipe is worth your time to cook and if I can actually pull off any of these dishes you're about to see. We'll be cooking a lot of recipes from what you call vintage cookbooks from the 70s and the 80s. But today's episode is all modern. It's about steak, the good old humble steak, a filet mignon to be specific. Clearly I have no friends sitting behind me, so you guys are just going to have to take my word for it that this food is going to be absolutely delicious. All right, no more talking. Let's get right into it. Tonight we're cooking steak. Yes, wonderful, juicy, Cadillac Seville filet mignon. So first things first, we want to season our steak. And what do we season our steak with? Salt and pepper. Because if you don't season your steak with salt and pepper, you're a communist and you should move out of the country immediately. I like to use this flake sea salt. Why do I like to use it? Because that's what Gordon Ramsay uses, and, well, he's better than I am. So a good helping of salt. Big old helping of salt. Then we use our pepper. Lots of pepper. Trust me, folks, 90% of all of this salt and pepper is going to burn off on the grill. We have all this nice seasoning on the top of our steak, on the bottom of our steak. We don't have anything on the sides. So what I like to do is just roll it, dab it into all that beautiful salt and pepper that is left on the plate. Waste not, want not, right? And there are our steaks ready to go. Now, most of you people would just kind of throw that right on the grill. But I have a secret weapon, and it's up here in this cabinet. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to pull out this stuff. I know I'm shaking it up. But this is Leah and Pepperins, something. I don't know. I can't read. I can't spell. But this is Worcestershire sauce, or as the famous Gordon Ramsay says, Worcester sauce. And we're going to put this Worcester sauce on these steaks. And I like to take my thumb and put it right over the top and give it just a little dribble. That's it. That's all we're doing for right now. All right, let's go get these on the grill. If my wife can make it without falling down the stairs. All right, here we go. That is the perfect temperature for a grill, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to put these steaks, Worcestershire sauce, down. Listen to that sizzle. Very hot. So what I like to do is anytime I start steaks is I like to start a timer on my watch. So I set a timer for 4 minutes and I hit start. All right, it's time to flip the steaks. And if you take a look, they look pretty good on that side. And here's the trick that I do. We add some Worcestershire sauce right on there, and then we flip. Look at the sear. Beautiful, beautiful sear. More Worcestershire sauce. Let that anchovy go right in there. All right, well, it's taken over 2 hours to cook this very simple dish. My wife is starving, so we're gonna get to it. We have our vegetables over here. They are still sizzling away. We finished these off on the grill along with our baked potato. Those videos on how to cook those yummy things will be coming out shortly. All right, so we cooked our steaks. Now, guys, girls, these are fillets. I guarantee you they're a little small because we bought them from a local grocery store. And, well, frankly, their steaks aren't that great. My wife is going to kill me. So we have our filet here. It is perfectly cooked. While small, we have our grilled baked potato right there ready to go. And we're going to spoon on some of these homemade vegetables. How good is that? You guys can't see that over there because that potato is in the way. We'll move it. Nice, crispy vegetables. Some people may think that they don't like their vegetables crispy, but I do. Now, just to let you guys know, I don't know how to plate food. I'm not some famous chef or whatever. I just do this so that my wife and I eat really great food. So it's time to eat. Guys, girls, everybody else, thank you so much. I really appreciate it for you tuning in to our first YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. I got nothing else for you.